In this video, we'll show you to get shaders with OptiFine and Minecraft Java. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you want to improve Minecraft looks, you can try to install shaders with OptiFine. And here, I'll show you how to do it. So first, just in case you haven't installed OptiFine, to download it, you can go to optifine.net. And once you're here, you want to go to the Downloads tab at the top. And then you want to look for the Minecraft version you're playing. You can click Show All Versions at the bottom. So for example, I want to install it for Minecraft 121.10. Expand it, and then download the latest release. Click download, click on skip at the top right, download again, and save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. Hit save, and it'll start downloading. Before we continue, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go check them out. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Apex Hosting offers super fast performance with their high-speed servers, plus they've got amazing customer support available 24/7. Their setup process is incredibly easy, so you can start playing with your friends in minutes. If you use their service, you're supporting the channel, so thank you so much. After you finish downloading, go to your downloads folder and you'll have OptiFine in a jar extension. Now, if you're installing without mod loader, you need to open this with Java. If you haven't got Java installed on your PC, you can go to java.com and here just click download Java for desktop and download and install the latest Java on your PC. Now you can right click on the jar file, open with, choose another app, select Java from the list and hit always. You'll see the installer window. Here you just hit install. Once you see this, click OK, and OptiFine is successfully installed. Now you can launch Minecraft Launcher, and on the bottom left, make sure you select OptiFine Profile. Now we're going to install shaders into your Minecraft. So go to the Installations tab, and then look for OptiFine Installation, click the folder icon, and it'll open up your Minecraft installation folder. Now here, what you want to look for is the shader packs folder. Open it up, and this is the folder where you install the shader packs. So now let's download the shader packs to install. You can go to curseforce.com, and once you're here, click on Minecraft, and then browse all. On the left tab, click on shaders. Now here you'll see a lot of shaders you can download and install. Just scroll through them. So for example, I want to download this, Shielders Vibrant Shaders. Click on it to go to the page, and then you want to go to the Files tab, and here look for the version you like. So for example, here there's extreme, high, medium, light, etc. And another thing to keep in mind is the game version. Make sure it's compatible with the OptiFine you installed. So I want to download this. I can click the three dots on the right, hit download file, save it somewhere on your PC, hit save, and the download will start. After you finish downloading, go to your downloads folder and you'll have your shader pack in a zip file. To install it, you just need to drag and drop it into the shader packs folder inside your Minecraft installation folder. Just like that, and that's done. Now you can launch Minecraft. Alright, now I'm in the game, and to load your shader, you can open up the pause menu, go to options, and then video settings, and if you install OptiFine correctly, you'll have shaders option here. So click on it, and then you'll see all of the shader packs you install in the shader packs folder appear here. So you select your shader packs, it will load for a moment. After it's loaded, you can hit done and get back to the game. And there we go, you have successfully installed shader packs with OptiFine. And that's it.